Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video. So my friend Lisa gave me some birthday money for my birthday and I immediately went and spent it on beads. So I put it towards this bead lot that I had been drooling over on eBay, and it was the only one I've ever seen like this. And I haven't really seen these beads in person, and when I saw them on eBay, Etsy, they were so expensive, like wildly expensive. And I was like, and even this lot was a little expensive, and I don't know. But once somebody gives you birthday money, it's your responsibility to spend it on birthday things, right? So it was an entire kit or box of cat's eye beads that have rhinestones on them. So I just wanted to show you. I'm sorry you've seen a blank screen for a little while. Let me show you these beads. They are stunning. Here they are. I've never seen these up close. I've only seen a couple shops sell them on Etsy, and they're kind of, I think some of them sell them by the bead, which is ridiculous. So these are 12 millimeter. Nope. They're 14 millimeter. So in the pictures, I thought they were 12 millimeter, and that would have been a fantastic deal. They're 14 millimeter. They're huge. They're so fun and unbelievably delicious. So I have 3 pounds of these in multiple colors. So here's a beautiful electric blue. Like, these are stunning in real life. So beautiful. And these aren't just like glued on. They're embedded in the bead. They're amazing. They're amazing. Some of these might be glued on, but these aren't. The blue ones aren't. So we've got blue. Let's see. Peach. Oh, it's such a yummy color. I love peach. They're such high quality beads too. Okay, so blue, peach. Guys, there's a lot going on here. We've got brown. Oh my God. And I have some wood beads that kind of have mimic this too, that I got from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. This is a neat color. It's almost like an unripe tomato color. I don't know. It's like a burnt orange. So lovely. And these beads are so like nice to handle. And I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with them. I'm going to hoard these for a while because I can't believe how many there are. So then we have, I'm going to sort this really quickly. We have white and cream. So I'm going to take the cream ones out. Here's the cream. I just love that flash. I, for a while, I loved cat's eye beads when I was a kid. And then for a while, I was like, no, cat's eye beads are cheap, blah, 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 blah. No, we don't play that game around here. Cat's eye beads are beautiful, especially stuff like this. Yeah, they're gorgeous. They were really popular when I was in my teens, and then now I feel like they're popular again. I gotta find a baggie to put these in. Okay, next we have this like baby blue robin's egg. Well, it's not really the robin's egg blue, but it's baby blue. This used to be my favorite color when I was a kid. Well, not kid. I was maybe 14. This was my favorite color. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. A different blue. I don't know. This is almost a periwinkle, but it's too. There's not enough purple for it to be periwinkle. So we've got this light blue and this electric blue against this bluer denim-y cornflowery color. So yummy. Oh, we've got a rogue electric blue in that one. And this was a D-stash, so there aren't, I don't know how many of each one there are. There are random amounts. There's less blue than there are brown, and less cream than there are white. Oh, I lied. There's more cream and white in here. There's more cream in here, I should say. Let's get these out of the way. Nice chartreuse. Lovely. Those are reminding me of Shrek. Like the little rhinestones could be his eyes. We have like a smoky brown taupe color. These are interesting colors too. These are gonna look fantastic with gemstones. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lisa. You made this possible. She's such a sweetheart. Ooh, this is an interesting green. It's not a green you see all the time. It's almost like a spearmint color. Lovely. I know some of you are like, Brittany, just show us the colors. Nope, sorry, that's not how I work. We're talking about every single color that came in here. Ooh, yellow. I have some faceted cat's eyes in this color. Yummy. Not a bright yellow. So this one has a couple different colors. It has a cream again and some like a mauvey purple, like a lavendery purple. So lovely. These remind me of marbles or bowling balls. They actually remind me more of bowling balls than marbles. I'm gonna sort out the cream. So that'll drive me crazy. These will be beautiful. Any of these would be beautiful gemstones or pearls. With gemstones or pearls, I should say. And they have large holes, so I'm sure I can fit some size leather through there. Maybe not 2mm, but certainly 1.5. And there's a really dark blue. This guy, he is dark, dark blue. That guy looks like a bowling ball to me. Okay. Okay, so he was supposed to be in here with these. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'm not seeing any black in here, which is kind of a bummer, but I'll deal with it. If I can find where to find this kind of bead on Etsy, I'll link it below. We have a different brown. So this was more of like a mahogany brownish, and then like these are, I don't know, this is an interesting brown. We have a darker purple. Yummy. And another brown. That's surprising. I didn't know there were so many browns in cat's eyes. These are more like a wood brown, like the brown that I see in wood beads a lot. Still has that lovely flash. Oh, these rhinestones these are such high quality beads. I can't believe it. And then I have a silver, gray silver. So lovely. And then last but not least, an olive. I'm so excited to use these with something. I don't know what the heck I'm going to use them with. I say that a lot, guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let's let me take, I'll take one out of each one and then put them all next to each other and I'll be right back. Okay, so there were 18 different colors. They're so beautiful. Now what I did notice when I was cleaning up my mat is I have some rogue crystals, which doesn't bode well, but I think it's because they were all knocking against each other and shipping. I'm going to keep these, and then if I find any beads that don't have crystals, I'll just use a dab of E6000 and it should be okay. So anyway, here are our 18 colors. They're so beautiful. They make me so happy. Thank you, Lisa. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for your favorite long-haired Chihuahua, Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good one. Bye-bye.